Previously, you learned about solid. Why can't we walk through walls? It is impossible for humans to walk through walls because humans and wall are solids and we have shapes, just like the objects you are seeing right here. They are solid with shapes. In a previous class, you learned that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. You learned also that there are three states of matter, which are solid, liquid, and the gaseous state of matter, also known as gas. Today, you'll be learning about why does water splash. Water is a form of liquid. Liquids are a form of matter. One of the main differences between liquids and solid is that liquids flow, so they don't hold their shape. Instead, liquid will take the shape of their container. Just as you can see, the liquid in the jug takes the shape of the jug, the liquid in the bottle can takes the shape of the bottle can, and likewise the liquid in the bucket takes the shape of the bucket. What really makes water splash? Note that when liquids are mixed with solids, the solids often dissolve. Just like when you mix salt with water, salt dissolves in water to form a solution. Also, most liquids cannot be made into a mixture that can be sorted out like solid can. Just like oil and vinegar, when they mix, it forms a suspension. A suspension can be sorted if it is allowed to settle. A liquid also has mass, and we said mass is how much matter something is made up of. And here are examples of liquids, which includes milk, juice, and of course, water. Some solids, like a ball, bounces when you drop it. When you also drop a book, it lands with a thud. But when you drop a liquid, it splashes or spread apart. When liquid spills, it spreads out. It flows in different directions. It doesn't stop until it hits something. In conclusion, water splashes because it is a liquid. It has mass and it spills or spreads apart when it is dropped. I hope you had fun learning about why water splash, and note that it is always exciting to always have you in an adventure class. Till another time, bye.